bursting passion, a taste of this direction, hunger and thirst I am. Focus, distraction I am. I feel every part as I am. A seed in your garden I am. A piece in your madness I am. A rush through my body I run and I can't breathe. Stop to continue I am. Lost and ecstatic, spinning I can't speak. A bass in your beat I am. Focused is
I was waiting in the undertow, set adrift with featherweight light poles, unaware of where my heart would flow. I was waiting in the undertow, can't touch the bottom, sit into a tumble. Waves that shake me out of my skin. Never been so easy, losing my direction. My bearings have me south of home, but I've been wrong before. I was waiting in the undertow, set adrift with featherweight light poles, unaware of where my heart would flow. I was waiting in the undertow. And the water feels like a friend I've not seen in years, so familiar and strange at once, like a lover who lost her touch. At first I was hesitant, now it seems oh so curious. How'd I wind up so far from home?